Hello and welcome back everyone. I really hope you're excited to start our witch hats. Okay, so for the pattern, it's already provided in the description. All you need are these two pieces and you'll need to cut 2 donuts and 1 cone. From there, I recommend you get any sort of woven fabric that has some sort of thickness to it, but good drape. Once you cut out your 2 donuts and your cone, you're gonna have to sandwich them with the right sides facing together and stitch them down. Once you're done with that, go ahead and flip them right sides out. However, for the donut, go ahead and trim some of it and then turn it right sides out. Don't forget to clip into the circular inner side of the donut, that way you could easily pin everything together before you sew it. Once it's all stitched down, it'll look something like this, but we're not done yet. I went ahead and searched my hat, but it's not mandatory. I do recommend you do is stitch down the seam allowance onto the cone, have it face up, and just stitch it down at the 1/4 of an inch or at 1/2 centimeter. And bam, you're all set. Super quick tutorial and I'm super excited to see everyone's witch's hat. If you do make it, please tag us on Instagram at josews. I would really love to see all the different hats and how everyone gets super creative with each one. What I truly love is that these hats can be either pointy or like rugged down, like wrinkled down to have like that aged effect. They're super versatile. If you do want them to be more sturdy and like have them hold their shape, I do recommend you interface them. And that sums up today's video. Thank you so much for joining us. I'll see you next time.